be one or two things that you really excel at doing, and the other stuff that's going to help to move your business forward, you contract that out. You can't do everything, because then you're going to give subpar stuff, and then you're going to lose business because it's not up to par. In Bomani's case, he also does IT. He develops his own website. He does his brochures and stuff. So my point was that it also saves him money, because he's creating the content as well as designing the content.
So we could offer the best package deals.
Right. So here's a $1 million question. It benefits him because what?
It gives you the best representation to present yourself.
Right.
And it gives you the energy to just lay out the things you need to lay out. And if you need to do it 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, I don't have to wake anybody up. I can just go to the, go to the lab and then get busy. So it just really gives more flexibility. And at the same time too, what I'm doing is that you just recruiting your own team of people. I was always impressed by Delta Technology. They never gave me a job.
Okay.
With all my fancy background, so I said, the hell with them. I'm going to build Bomani Technology.
Right.
And it's been running for 10 years, and my goal is to train my brother, my son, and there's other people, there's ways of this, how to use the highest level of technology to just represent yourself. So we're using pictures and videos, and we just blast in Facebook, YouTube, website, and once you have those content, you can really make things work. The advantage of us is that we come every year and I have a whole crew of people. We switch the cameras, so it's like pictures are always being taken and the camera's always rolling. So when you finish, you have thousands of pictures and hundreds of videos. So once you learn how to use the website and use the internet and just be into it and just consistently doing it, that is just your new energy of documentation. So if I'll show you the 10 straight trips in October, you're gonna be ready for the next one.
Awesome. So as we get ready to wrap up Pep Talk, this very special episode live on the bus in Ghana, West Africa, I'm going to ask Bomani of Africa for the Africans to tell you who are watching why you should make that journey of a lifetime and come with us to Ghana, West Africa. And you can see all the information at the bottom of the page. The website is africafortheafricans.org. And we're going to send the Twitter and Facebook as well. The best thing that you can do for us, those who are on the tour, is to do a testimonial, right? You can email that, you can dump it on the Facebook, you can send it directly to Bomani. But in closing, Brother Bomani, why should folks journey to Ghana, and in particular with Africa for the Africans?
I love that energy. The main reason our people in the diaspora should journey with us is because we have the best layout as far as a program that will cater to you and speak to you. It's like a lot of times in America, you're calling people, leaving a message. I want to know more information about it. I would adjust my time, even cancel certain appointments, and talk with you because that's what I'm passionate about, and give you my time and energy. The only thing I always ask people is this: just be honest and real and don't waste my time, because whatever you tell me is kind of what I'm going to be believing that you're interested and you want to go.
All right, there you have it. Of the words of the master himself. One more word.
And ultimately, the reason you should go is the Love Life experience, and the itinerary that we started with in 2006 have been modified every year to a T, and it gets better and better. And what we've done this year is this tour book has become a real tour book, and it showcases every aspect of what we do. So the program is really just in the highest level it can be to give you the greatest experience on the African continent and the greatest journey ever. And it's just a lot of time that goes into just doing, laying those things out over and over. You spend a lot of time your brain is just spinning consistently. So the greatest reason you should go is because we have everything intact, and we've done it so many times, and it just gets better and better and better. And it gives you a balance of things. You're talking about roots, culture, business, investment, nightlife, shopping, and networking. So whatever you're into, but you have access to learn so much more about all the other things that you might have not been open to. So it really just builds a great level of connection in the African continent. Once you connect, everything else is clear. You know if you want to live here, you want to do business, or you know if you just want to go back to your Fortune 500 job and enjoy the American life with your Benz and your big house. Or if you want to join the revolution and build something for our children, our future that will stand the test of time. I'm trying to remember some of Marcus Garvey's great work, Russ Marvin, when it talks about we're going to build a nation that the sun shall never set on.
Yes, yes.
And that's what it is. And I know it's like brave and bold, and sometimes you feel a little shaky, but sometimes you just have to step out bold and bold faith, like my sister Sass said, and straight buck wild, bold faith. I'm not going to say those words.
National TV. All right, so there you have it, family. This is another edition of Pep Talk TV. Again, I'm your host, Jessie Peppy Park. Visit me on Twitter, Facebook. You'll see everything at the bottom of your TV screen. Now, I want everyone who's in the live studio audience after 3 to say Africa for the Africans. 1, 2, 3.
Africa for the Africans.
Awesome, Ashe. All right, and cut. So, all right, so.